and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this professional peplum little bit dress. Ooh, not super stretchy, but like stretchy enough fabric. Comes with a little V-ish, but not too low to keep it professional. Cute buttons on the side, and then just a little tiny semi-peplum that does not wrap all the way around. So it's just in the front to cover a little bit of belly. It's one piece, so the skirt goes probably down to like knee length. Love the pattern over here, and there is a little bit of a slit. There is a zipper that helps you put it on all the way, and then the sleeves are like goes probably like right there. Yeah, so let me go ahead and try it on. So love the little V-neck top, the little peplum. I like that it's not too crazy, not to draw attention or anything, but to still keep it fashionable, fresh, trendy, etc. So it looks like it's two, but then obviously you can tell that it's not. I love that when it just comes in one fell piece, so I don't have to think about my outfit. I just gotta go do my presentation and get it done with. These are fake buttons, obviously, as you can see. It's not quite natural waist unless you pull it down. Just, oh yeah, you can pull it down slightly for it to hit natural waist. The zipper goes all the way, as you can tell, all the way to the top. I like this little piece, covers up the belly, and so that you're not like self-conscious or anything as you're presenting. The skirt hugs you nice and tight, but still has mobility to move around because of that little helpful slit right there. This is what it looks like when sitting down. Once again, beautiful on all angles. If you would like to purchase this very professional mini peplum one-piece dress, go ahead and check out the links below. And if you like unboxings and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe, comment with what you think about this, and let me know what you want to see more of, and or if you want to know more about this product, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.